using the Clearpay Online is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use the Clearpay Online. So let me tell you one thing before we get started. What is Clearpay? So Clearpay is actually Afterpay, and Afterpay is actually Clearpay. It totally depends upon the region. In some countries, Clearpay is called as Afterpay, while in some other countries, the Afterpay is called as Clearpay. So if you cannot find the Afterpay or Clearpay, you probably have an alternative name for according to your region. So you just have to go to this website, which is Afterpay. In my case, you will probably have the Clearpay. And now here, you can use this online. You can buy anything you want. You have to browse the products that you want to buy. Suppose I want to buy these Nike shoes. I'm just going to go on that, and I'll be able to see these products that I can buy on instant. And what actually Afterpay does is it lets you pay later or pay in installments. So you just have to buy the product, select the product, and then you can buy it and pay with Afterpay. So Afterpay will buy the product for you at instant, and you can pay the Afterpay in installments. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use Afterpay or Clearpay Online. Hope you guys find this very helpful.